Hey, g'day guys, it's Adam from VideoShowMeHow, and in this video we're going to be doing a sound test of the Kenwood KSC-SW11. Let's get started. So if you haven't already, check out on the channel, there's a couple of different sound test videos on there, as well as other subwoofer install videos. This is number 3 video of the Kenwood sub series. The first one covered an unboxing of what you get in the kit. The second one was a full how-to install video, and this one is the sound tests. Now, just like in the last subwoofer test, which was for the Pioneer subwoofer, you can check that one out up the top. How we'll be doing this is using the remote that comes with and setting it all the way off, and then to crank it, leaving it a couple of seconds, then cranking it all the way on, and vice versa. So I'll put a little indicator on the screen to tell you when the subwoofer's powered all the way up and then all the way off, so you'll be able to see the difference. I'm also trying to make the recording side of things on this side of the screen as good as I can muster. So to do that, I'm using a VideoMic Pro microphone. That's a powered microphone and should give us a really crisp sound that's piped straight into the camera itself. And just to keep things interesting as well, I have an additional microphone. This one is a Video Micro from Rode as well, piped straight into the tablet here, which is running a sound meter app. And this gives us a bit of an indication of the decibel rating that is being recorded at the moment. Then also a little graph here that will tell us what the actual readout is over time. And one final thing, on your side of the screen, I would recommend listening to this through something that gives you some really good sound. So some really good headphones, or in your car if you've already got a pretty good stereo in there, or your stereo at home, or your home theater system, that sort of stuff. If you listen to this on your phone, as we all know, the bass coming out of phones these days ain't that great. So this is probably not going to be the test to play through that. Right, so I've got a bunch of different tests lined up ready to go. So without further ado, let's get started on the test. So there we go. Hopefully the differences came through. What did you think? Let me know in the comments below. The difference between when the sub was on and the sub was off. If I was to describe how it sounds, the stereo in this car actually isn't that bad, which is pretty cool. Since adding the Kenwood sub though, it really adds a richness to the sound. It really just adds that extra bit in the low end and gives you a little bit of boom. You're never going to get a 12-inch type sound from these kinds of units. So if you're after that, you really are going to have to chase a proper amp and bigger sub and enclosure type setup. But these little powered units really do go pretty hard. I reckon they sound pretty decent. And if you're after some sound just to really round out the sound that you have in your existing vehicle, then something like this is definitely worth a look. So there you go, guys. I hope that video was helpful in letting you know what the Kenwood KSC-SW11 sounds like. If you did find it helpful, leave a like in the section below and let me know what you're thinking about installing this into. Maybe you've already installed it, maybe you're thinking about getting something else. And if you do, let me know what that is in the comment section below. If you're a fan of this kind of content and you want to see more of it, consider subscribing to the channel. There's stacks of other content already on the channel and there's more subwoofer content coming soon. There's a number of different types of underseat subwoofers in different brands that we'll also be doing the install series. That's the unboxing, the full install how-to, and then the sound test video. They're coming up soon. But what I'm also pretty keen to do is do some back-to-back sound tests so that we can do without any sound with, for example, the Kenwood sub and then, for example, with a Pioneer sub, and we can hear the difference between them all back-to-back. Well, that's it for this one. As always, I hope that you have an amazing day and I will see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.